Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bubble wheel balancer. First, position your balancer on a stable, flat surface. Next, carefully place the wheel assembly onto the balancer's center cone. Make sure the wheel is perfectly centered and sits flush. This initial setup is crucial for accurate readings, so take your time to ensure everything is stable and level before proceeding to the next step. Once the wheel is mounted, observe the bubble in the fluid. The bubble will naturally drift towards the lightest part of the wheel. This means the heavy spot is directly opposite the bubble's resting position. Rotate the wheel gently a few times to confirm the bubble consistently points to the same light area, indicating the precise location for weight addition. To correct the imbalance, attach small balancing weights to the rim on the side opposite the heavy spot, which is where the bubble pointed. Begin with a small weight, perhaps 1/4 ounce, and recheck the bubble. Continue adding or adjusting weights in small increments, such as 1/8 or 1/4 ounce, until the bubble settles precisely in the center of the target ring. When the bubble remains perfectly centered in the target ring, your wheel is balanced. Gently remove the wheel from the balancer, being careful not to disturb the newly placed weights. A properly balanced wheel significantly reduces tire wear, improves fuel efficiency, and provides a much smoother and safer driving experience. This simple process ensures optimal performance for your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.